Welcome to the 23 Shop channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Hey, tada. This is no 23 Shop channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 0, Ahly 0. The CAF Champions League. How's it, brother?
I didn't tell it.
Sharp, man. What's your take on the game? What's your take on the game today?
It was not good today. I didn't enjoy the game today.
You didn't what?
I didn't enjoy the game today.
Yeah.
Yeah, like you, we like first half we're playing well, but second half it was tough.
What do you think went wrong in the second half?
They don't communicate, especially defenders and midfielders don't communicate at all. I think they were supposed to do to communicate, but no. I don't know what to say. But first half we fight, but second half
Yeah. And who was your man of the match?
Man of the match. I'm a man of the match.
Yeah.
And who was it? Kanagamang. Tashrik Matthews.
Oh, Matthews. Okay, thank you so much. All the best.